And now the question is how you can upload CSV file in your Sales Navigator. Different people ask me about how to upload CSV file in Sales Navigator. Is it possible to upload CSV file in Sales Navigator? Yes, it's possible. So first of all, you just need to click on your home page of Sales Navigator, and after this you just need to click on Book of Businesses, and then you just need to click on My Current Account, and now different accounts will be open. You just need to click on Upload New Account List, and after this now you can see the Save Your File CSV maximum file size of 20 MB, and now company ID, LinkedIn URL, and these are the if available, and now you can see that. Otherwise include the name and other attributes. So these are the some settings, and after this you just need to click on continue, and after this you just need to upload the CSV file. And for example, it's just for example, so you totally understand about this, and I am just picking the randomly, and then you just need to account name, and here you just need to write the first name and LinkedIn company ID, and here you just need to write here the LinkedIn company, and now you can see that. And here LinkedIn company URL, and here you just need to select the URL. For example, I'm just picking here the company website. Sorry, here we just picking the and for example, once you are satisfied this, and then you just need to click on continue, and after this you just need to write the name of the list, and then you just need to write here the description, and after this you just need to click on finish, and now your CSV file is loaded. It will take some 1 or 2 minutes, and after it will be completed, and then it will be show here in account section, and from here you can use this list for connection request. You can also use for email, so you can use this sheet for different purposes. So hope you understand how to use and how to upload CSV file in Sales Navigator. So if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.